Good morning, everyone. This is Ronnie Cole with RonColeHomes.com. So I'm coming to you today with another great tip for you in order to help you and assist you in your home buying process. So I've spoken with a couple buyers recently, and I recently had one that brought up wanting to go out and take a look at a few homes. And she was telling me that she wanted to view some properties. But she didn't, she didn't know all the steps of the process, but she was ready to go out and start looking. And I was like, sure, great, let's go. And I was like, can you send me a copy of your pre-approval letter that you've received from your mortgage lender? And she said, oh, I don't have one. And I said, well, that's probably the first step in which we need to start. And today, that's actually what I'm going to give you a tip about for. This is for my buyers out there. Is getting a pre-approval is super important. Pre-approval is really great because you're going to get better results from the realtor that you're working with. A pre-approval basically is a letter from your bank stating that you have qualified for a specific amount of money or a specific loan amount in regards to a home that you'd like to purchase. So you basically have to give your the lender or your mortgage advisor or whomever you're working with some paperwork in regards to like statements from your bank accounts, and they check credit and a host of other different things. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or financial planner. I am just a licensed real estate agent, but they ask you a number of different questions, and they kind of go through your debt ratios and a lot of things to attain what you qualify for. And once they kind of go through all that, they're going to give you a sheet of paper which says, Margaret Jones qualifies for up to $450,000 to purchase a home. Once you have that letter from your lender, then you're able to take that letter, give a copy to your real estate agent, because your real estate agent, your realtor, is going to want to see a copy of it. Most agents and realtors are going to want to see a copy of it before you even step foot in their car. They're going to ask you to either email it over to them in a PDF or fax it, or if you guys meet in person, bring a copy of it with you. That's important because, a lot of agents in the past have gotten burned. And what happens is, if you don't have that pre-approval, it makes it harder for you to find a home. Let's say you go out and you start looking for a property. You're going to find that you're stressed out a little bit more than usual, because let's say you find a home, you put an offer on it, but guess what? You don't have a pre-approval. Your seller is not going to probably even take your offer, your written offer, seriously, because you don't have a pre-approval, because they don't even know if you really can afford the home. This limits the sellers in regards to wasting time with unqualified buyers as well. So that, one, you improve your rate of acceptance. You also have less stress with getting a pre-approval, because basically what happens is you're confident in saying, I have a mortgage loan for $100,000 or pre-approval for $300,000, or if you're in the upper brackets, a pre-approval for $750,000. So that just makes you confident in your home search. So then all you're saying is, well, I know I can buy a home for up to $500,000, and I want to look in these specific areas because of X, Y, and Z factors. And this is the type of home that I'm looking for. So it actually helps you to kind of streamline the hunting process for a home. So having a pre-approval is great because it really helps you and your realtor get right to the meat of things, so you guys can meet, sign a buyer brokerage agreement, go over that pre-approval letter, how much you're approved for, go over what you're looking for in a home as far as listing out all the different needs and wants that you have, and then putting together a plan to help you find that. I can talk a little bit more about buyer brokers. I'm pretty sure you guys like buyer brokerage agreement. What's that? I'll go into that in another episode or another quick little tip. But again, this is Ronnie Cole with RonColeHomes.com. Hopefully this information in regards to a pre-approval and pre-approval letters was helpful to you. But yes, you definitely, absolutely must have one in order to start working with a realtor to start your home search process. And there are some realtors who may work with you without it. But again, you're only going to find that this hurts you and this is going to stress you out. I always try to post, and I actually read some of this. I got some of this information from a great article from the Realtor.com and the National Association of Realtors from NAR. But I'll try to post a copy of the article to my page as well. So you can always follow me on my um, Twitter and Facebook pages, because a lot of this information, I always try to put these articles on those pages for you. So again, this is Ronnie at RonColeHomes.com. You can find my information through my website, www.roncolehomes.com. I look forward to working with you, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.